Hello, my people. I greet the followers from Untouchable Mama. Host una dey fine. Una do as una tell me they like, comment, share. God go bless una. That una hand una take the share. Now money now take and take the carry. My people, this video where I carry console before I go play am for una. You see the reason where be say people where they here where they go they talk say we are going home. We are going home. You see people where they for inside there, they don't tire. Where they for the country, they don't tire. This video now for Benin-City for happen. They where they for them, they cry say they no want stay for there again because everything where they inside, it don't turn upside down. They don't know what they want to do again. Now it be say we wait there for this side, we'll come carry our bag. We will say one go sit down for that kind of country. Where be say we are where we there for year. They know they take law into their hands. For our own, now that one night they do. Before I go play this video, we get one video where I see. I just want me I talk I know fit put on for here because of the waiting there for inside, the boss bars where they for inside, the way where they told boss bars this boy. Then say this boy say because of saying near somebody, the cassava of that person can come out. Una know the way they be. If you see the boss bars. People where they reach 15 where they give and both bars for this side for the other side instead of them to call Ogbanegbese see what it happen. No, they go take law into their hands. That kind of country how you want take good I don't know. Sometimes when they don't do the boss bars finish they'll go say the person where they would give boss bars now innocent. Sometimes those persons they go even buy. Let's see where buy how you want to wake up make it get up. After when they don't give am both back because person this one will give am for here, this one give am for the other side, this one give am for head, this one give am for head. If you see that video, when I see that video, even myself, I was like, oh my God. Una say comot person cassava instead of mona hold am, mona give am hand over to Ogbalegbe. No, una just they start both bars. What if they go see now say na lie? Say nothing even happen. Maybe that one way talk and come out. He just want me to just give out both bars. He there, my people. So this video where I go play for my people. This man say in the drive the car they go. Na Corolla can I get. I see the driver they go. Now not the way we be now. Now they stop and all these Obaseki people. Now they stop and they say make you bring tickets come. Can you imagine? Anyway, see, even though say you get phone. Because the one where they say see the day for those state now. If they see iPhone for your hand, where you for buying and where you for the work, they go ask you everything, even ahead, and then they go ask you. If care is not taken, they go seize that phone for your hand. Because why? Law not dey. Here where we be say we dey. Pikin where be say na 10 years or 15 years, you go they carry iPhone 14, they go. Oh no, whether who ask a question because here you feel get on you they pay every month more. Better wow, once they see for your hand, they'll say you be yahoo. They'll say may go bring the receipt. If you not see receipt, come. Now then go even collect the money. They go collect the phone. And when they go collect them, they will go sell now pocket, carry the money put for pockets. Can you imagine? Now that kind of country, then we go come carry our leg. They go say we want go sit down put. When people wait they inside, they shout, they cry. Every day they say they don't want to stay again. They don't tire. And they say the country go better. When it go take better? When? Me I put this video more than listening to what happened to this man. So person no fit drive your car now. If you they drive, they go. Your car it carry weight. They go say where you foresee the money. How you take buying? Then we listen, my people. Not the way Musa no go see forget that country. It don't tire people.
What do you mean now? Person no go feed you corona like person no go feed you corona like person no go feed you corona like for Benin. Man, I see me see Wahala. Man, I see you know attack. You know attack. Obaseki, see your breast. Look at what your breasts are doing, Obaseki. Look at where person no feed you corona like for Benin. Person no go feed you corona like No. Person no go feed you corona like
What? I don't ask for anything.
Hey, you can't have my money. Ask for my ticket for my motor. I don't go to drive motor again.
Wait. You are
No, Governor Obaseki, I used to beg you. Benin don't spoil. They don't spoil Benin. Just imagine, I came out with my Corolla.
My people, I so much believe say Obaseki not send all this one. Now they just they do one. Una know the way where the country be, the way where they tell they do. They know they send the message before they do one. They know they send them. Who they send them? Nobody. They take log into their hands. If they just see person like person to say maybe it if yam. Yamo, the way where they go take hand over and the way they go take carry on, where they go take the kind boss bars where they go they give am. Now yamo. Now Obaseki system there. No. Because all these people, the way where they take the day, I don't know what they like the thing. But anyway, what your Obaseki for still they do now. Anybody way be say they do am anyhow like that. Make them the video now. They go they bring them. They send go some office. And those office they go take action. If you do anyhow, say you see any citizen, you can't they disturb and they do what you're not supposed to do. That will not be your work. They're supposed to carry those people. They go drop them for work because you don't know your job. Because person will know your job. You gonna do a job well. Now this one ain't for good well because anything now Obaseki and everybody take the shot, which we know because now be the governor. But you know say them. And then they use their brain, their head, and they do all this one because the one where they send them, they know they do. Now the one where they not send them, then they go they do. We know now.
I throw my Corona out. This your boys, I don't know what they call them. He just opened my door. He just run inside the Corona. He they ask me where tickets. He they ask me where tickets. That they beat me yesterday, they refunded me. They asked me where tickets for my motor. Benin don't swear. Man, I don't cancel Benin come up from Nigeria. You cannot use Yaris. So Corolla now. You never feel use Corolla. Hey, I am giving up on this country. This country I don't give up. Benin I don't give up. Even the guy they tell me say, oh, Obaseki don't care what they go to one. But I'm gonna watch the video. Man, I watch him.
If the person was scared, nobody will come back and come back.
Nobody will beg Obaseki.
I said, nobody will beg him.
Okay, the person.
I don't pay him.
If the person, nobody will beg Obaseki. No, leave there. Leave there. Okay. Don't worry. Okay. If the person Obaseki, nobody will beg Obaseki. We don't see Obaseki finish. We don't see Obaseki finish. Una don't see Obaseki finish. Una don't see Obaseki finish. When I take destroy my handle, now they destroy this handle like this when they take drag the handle open. My friend. You say anything you want. Okay, anything you want that you're blind my eye. You're blind my eye, I will see problem. Obaseki see people when you appear for power. You go blind my eye. Don't worry. Huh? Location. Baba, this thing. Don't worry. Baba, leave location. Leave location. Location. Now, I don't know, say, for Benin now, if they get some certain motors that they use now, and some car, what they not they use. You understand me? For Benin now, Benin that they select motor. This is the boy. He entered my car, asking me to come and buy tickets. No wahala. No wahala. For Benin now, there are some certain motor you will not use, and there are some certain motor you will use. No wahala. No wahala. No worry, no worry. My people, not be smart, you know. Now, waiting I see for ring road today, now it be this. I felt they hear this thing. Even my neighbor say it happened to her, tell her, say a lie. Say she dey drive her Corolla, go walk. Now, so this boy enter her motor, they say, make she come buy ticket. Say she not buy ticket, make she come pay 20,000 naira. I felt they hear this matter for Yaris. And they think say a lie. Now today I know say this matter when people they talk now truth. So person not fit use Yaris for Benin again now. Person not fit use Corolla. So if they use Corolla for Benin now, that means you are working with the Corolla. You can't have Corolla as a private car in Benin. Obaseki, please look into this. So this thing is too much, or it's getting too much for all these boys. That they use that they offend us. Now, my phone don't miss. These boys, they destroy my car. I beg, I need justice for this. Justice must be made. Please, help me to share this video. Make una share this video. Make it get to Obaseki. My phone is missing, and all these boys, they destroy my car. Please, you people should share this video. So, they are now selecting cars to use in Benin. Now, wow.
Hey, my people. The country go better. Oh. We go better. Maybe we just dey wait. Can you imagine? So if you get that type of car, if you not get 20,000, no go. If you go, all those where all those boys they go. Now you are your own. What did this man see? Now you go still see. Now so it's supposed to be. Me, I don't know. I can't ask. 20,000, make person come pay. My people, make I leave una for this junction because the country, it don't tire people where they there. So those one where be say they here where they want carry their bag, go sit down for there. Una go can't do change, you understand? As you now they go, those one go they come, una understand? Make they change because the people where they say the thing don't reach there yet, they don't know what they want to do with it. Can you imagine a country, a Benin-City where it be say that I don't say me I don't understand anyway. I don't understand many things where be say they go on for inside there. I see they talk. I don't believe say Obaseki send all these people because me I know my people. Anything where you not send them, then go they do. Because if they see you now, that 20,000 when they will collect them, they go shock kidnap for inside because they not send the message. Neither they do. All right, my people, thank you for coming. Help me to share this video. What do you think about this video where you watch? So leave your comments, okay? Like this video for me. Do not forget to follow my page, Untouchable Mama Backup page, Untouchable Mama. Follow me on my YouTube, Unto Mama TV, and I still get time. God bless you as you do. Bye bye for now.